a song that actually was covered by Heart, and they did very well on it. This is a song that will always be in our set, and it's called Wild Child. We haven't played it for a while, so carry that on. Turn back when the green lights flash. Too late to turn around. When the love comes down, your fire, my fate. This woman won't wait. So love beam, he lays a light. He just said a call. Wild child, oh baby, go out with me. Two hearts, one mind. Oh baby, you're my kind. You're too hot, you're too much. You've got that personal touch. The push button, a place that my back door in. You fight fire with a little fire, baby. You wanna know your name, this young girl saying you're so wild. You're so wild. You're such a wild child. Oh baby, go wild with me. Do your little shake, baby, round and baby, pull my bow. Don't let the grass grow under my feet. Bang my drum, baby, feel my beat. You're so wild. You're so wild. You're such a wild child. Oh baby, go wild with me. So wild. Wild child, oh baby, go wild with me, 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 wild with me. Wild with me, wild with me. Thank you.